Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Google Analytics 4 setup. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics, and it provides a more accurate and comprehensive view of your website or app data. To get started with Google Analytics 4 setup, first create a new property in the Google Analytics admin section. Choose Google Analytics 4 as the property type and follow the setup wizard to create your new property. Next, install the Google tag on your website or app. The Google tag is a small piece of code that sends data from your website or app to Google Analytics 4. You can install the Google tag using Google Tag Manager or by copying and pasting the code into your website or app. After installing the Google tag, set up data streams. Data streams are the sources of data in Google Analytics 4, such as your website or app. To set up a data stream, navigate to the admin section and click on Data Streams. Then click on Add Stream and follow the setup wizard. Configure events and parameters to track specific actions on your website or app, such as form submissions or button clicks. Events and parameters provide more detailed information about user behavior and help you understand what users are doing on your website or app. Set up conversions to track specific goals, such as purchases or sign-ups. Conversions help you understand the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and identify areas for improvement. Use the debug view to verify that your setup is correct and data is being sent to Google Analytics 4. The debug view shows you the data that is being sent to Google Analytics 4 in real time, allowing you to identify and fix any issues with your setup. Finally, use the Google Analytics 4 reports to analyze your data and gain insights into user behavior. Google Analytics 4 provides a range of reports, including the Home Report, Real-Time Report, and Lifecycle Report, that help you understand your users and make data-driven decisions. By following these best practices for Google Analytics 4 setup, you can ensure that you are getting the most out of your data and making informed decisions to drive business growth. Remember to regularly review and update your Google Analytics 4 setup to ensure that it remains accurate and effective.